In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to insert checkboxes into your sheets, perfect for task lists, attendance sheets, or any tracking needs. Let's check it out. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Jump into the Google Sheets document where you want to add checkboxes. Step 2. Select cells for checkboxes. Click on the cell where you want your first checkbox. To add multiple checkboxes, drag and select a range of cells. Step 3. Insert checkboxes. Go to the menu bar and click on Insert, then select Checkbox from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Customize, optional. Customize your checkboxes by right-clicking them and choosing Data Validation. Here, you can change what's considered checked or unchecked. And that's it. Checkboxes are now part of your Google Sheets toolkit. If this guide helped you get more organized, please leave a like and subscribe for more handy spreadsheet hacks.